Here, you want a slushie?
Hi, number 60.
No. You want a slushie?
Ooh.
Look at the babies.
I can't leave.
Look at the little babies over there. It looks like one of them was just born.
Hello.
Come here. Come here. You're like 10 feet away. Just move forward, not backwards. Forward. My sister's baby donkey will run right up to you. He's like, what's up? You're taking a shit, bitch.
Oh, if we were in India, they would be rubbing it all over their face. Mm-hmm. Hello. Hello. She just stopped chewing and everything.